and welcome to this week's edition of Play CCN, which is brought to you by Temperzone. I'm your host, Sandra Rossi, editor of Climate Control News. The Energy Efficiency Council has welcomed the Victorian Government's decision to phase out gas connections in new homes from January 2024. The ACT has already banned gas. However, other states and territories across Australia are taking a more measured approach to bans. While South Australia wouldn't rule out a gas ban, the government said it was looking at blended options by combining gas with green hydrogen. All of the remaining states and territories have made it clear they are not considering any gas bans at this point in time. Mitsubishi Electric had reported impressive results for the first quarter of the financial year. Air conditioning and building systems grew 24% compared to the same period last year, totaling US $2.7 billion. Profits increased 347% to $258 billion. This massive jump was attributed to robust demand in Asia and Europe. Daikin plans to build a US $140 million residential air conditioning factory outside of Tokyo. The factory will meet increased demand in the Japanese market. The plant is 40 kilometres from Tokyo and is Daikin's first production base for air conditioners in the Kanto region. Daikin has 90 factories around the globe. The company said the new plant is being built to strengthen domestic production, and there were no plans to return production elsewhere to Japan. Production at the site will commence in early 2027. Locally, Daikin Australia opened a new logistics hub in Brisbane this week and follows the opening of a similar facility in Sydney last month. Well, that's it for our headlines this week, which were brought to you by Temperzone. Thank you for watching.